Hi, this is a short video about the pet project I am working on. It's a puzzle with visual programming which is called Make It Work. So let's look at the simple level of this game. So this is the first level. It's a very simple level, and here we have a lamp that doesn't work because if you press the button, it doesn't turn on. Though it was designed to be turned on pressing this button, and it doesn't work. So the task of the player in any level is to fix the objects, to make them work. And it can be achieved by editing scripts that control this object. In this case, the lamp is controlled by the light on script. It is here, and the player can edit it. Any script consists of nodes, that is, basic elements. They are responsible for special actions of the controlled object. There may be a lot of nodes, and the task of the player is to arrange them in the right order, to connect nodes in the right order, to add new nodes, to add values to these nodes, and finally make things work. So in this case, it is very simple node, very simple script. There are just two nodes, and we just have to connect them to fix. So after the start, the light on action will be fulfilled. Yes. Now it works correctly. Uh, so next I'll show you a bit harder level with more nodes. When fixing scripts, the player has not only to choose the correct sequence of actions, but also correct parameters of these actions. For instance, in this case, the player has to print the correct word, the password, to pass the level. The parameters of the actions are controlled by value nodes. So they actually tell the action node what to print in this case, or what to do in any other case. So that's the result of our input, and it is the wrong password. This is more complex level, more complex puzzle, because the player have to deal with many nodes and connect them in right sequence. By the way, the player can zoom in, zoom out, and change position of any node, break connection, change position of the sockets of connection, and for instance, we want to make our board move forward 2 steps and then move right 3 steps. So we can make the script connect nodes in the following way. So at start we move forward at distance 2. So you can also change the name of value nodes to make visual script more readable, more understandable. So distance, move forward at distance 2, and then move right. Okay, let's break this connection and connect. So it means that after moving 2 steps, it will move right at 3 steps. Okay, let's break this connection. Let's see the result. So 2 steps forward, then 3 steps right, and it does.